Okay, morning everyone. So I'm out here again. Gonna fly up to get the sunrise before it goes away. So I've done the setting for my video, and then let's get this up, and then ready to take off.
Takeoff.
I'm on altitude mode and then 32 satellite. So my shutter speed is 125 and ISO 800. So let's let it hover a while. That's how it looks like, and then let's bring it up. So we'll do the cinematic, so let's put it slow and then slowly bring it up. So it's very slow now. And then at the same time I will turn. That's the Science Center. So currently I am at the National Science Center. So now you know why I'm here. I want to get the sunrise with the National Science Center in view, if I can get it. So let's bring it all the way up. Oh, bird just passed me. And where is my sunrise? Yep, the sunrise is this side. It's covered by clouds again. So let's keep it below 120 just to get rid of. That's the sunrise. Oh, I can't get the shot of the Science Center. Never mind. That's how it looks like. The sun is coming out. So my manual setting with the ND filter from the car. Right, there's the sunrise coming up there. So this is I'm using the car tint as my ND filter, and you can see also my remotes. Everyone's asking why. I already said that this is a shutter button, that shutter release button that you put for your camera. So I put it there. I don't fly with joystick. I fly with flat like that. So it's easier to control actually. So let's do some photograph. Here, let me get some shots. Change it to picture and bring the camera up a bit, more sky, and bring the city towers in. Right, so how does it look like in 3x? That's how it looks like. Yeah, that's it. So I can bring down the shutter speed to 200. Looks better this way. And this one, shutter speed to 200. Yep, same. So both same shutter speed. Looks great, right? So this is 1/200 shutter with the ISO 800. You can actually make it lower. I prefer it lower. So let's do this at 400 with shutter speed 200. Right, so it looks much better. And this one as well, ISO 200. So you can bring it down to the shutter speed 160. 200 is too bit dark. 160 too bright. Okay, never mind. 200 looks good. So both, you can see the difference. I'm going to record this. You can have a look. Now both have the same setting. Don't worry about the dark part. You can actually brighten it up in post, so it's not an issue. So let's do the 3x. So I've got the same setting for both now in video. Let's bring the camera up. It looks better this way with the sky. So then now this is the 3x. So you can see both in this setting. But the sun is not up. So anyway, let's get some shots. Change it to camera mode. So let's do the same setting again. I don't want auto. I want 1/200 of a shutter speed with ISO 200. ISO 200 looks good. 200 looks good, and then let's do this as well. 1/60th with ISO, 1/20th, 1/100. Let's do the record. So let's bring it up higher. So let's bring it up higher. So I want the clouds. Why this morning I'm here is because the weather has been wonky. You get very nice clouds formation. Let's bring it up to this side a bit. Yeah. So that the sun is nearer to the towers. And bring it up higher. And bring the camera inwards. That's how it looks like. So I want this angle. Can you see the mist? So the weather has been a bit wonky and we're getting all these misty clouds. So let's change it to photo and get some shots. So anyway, let's try 3x, and yeah, it's so bright now because I need to bring my shutter speed down to, yep, that looks better. That's 3x. There's the sun coming out very bright. So you can see now, I'm going to switch it back to camera. And let's get some shot of this. So let's do a 360 here. It's gonna be really black. But never mind, I just want the sunset. Sunrise. Why am I saying sunset? So I just want a sunrise. The 360 is gonna be dark at the ground, but beautiful colors on the sky. So again, I'm using automotive tints for my ND filter. So 30% and 50% tints. So we do a 360 on this, and then it's gonna be a bit dark on the ground, so can't be helped because I'm adjusting for the sky. So the 360 is done. Let's do a wide as well. Right, so no, let's bring it back to 100, and that's to auto. That's not very good, even at auto is too bright. I'm not gonna fly around with that brightness. Okay, and let's do the recording, and then let's fly around, right? So let's fly back here.
I've been crying all day 'cause I had big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard. I just need to escape for a moment. Someone
like the foreground to be bright.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in
Let's
10
change
seconds.
it back to,
Return to home.
yeah, so far it's 20%, right? Let's change it back to, why am I taking picture? It's trying to come home. Where is it? Let's change it back to video. And yeah, it's coming home. Yep, you can hear it.
Landing.
Yeah, it's coming back. 20%, that was fast, right? So there it lands. So anyway, we got the pictures that we want. Hopefully you can see that. See that? Hi everyone, it's me. So hope you like the picture and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.